Hey everyone, this is Tim from US6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the display size on your Xiaomi phone. So you can see you can change it right here, and it's in a different location other than display. This is under accessibilities and vision. So we want to swipe down from the top right, go to settings, scroll on down until we get to additional options or settings. Then go to accessibilities, then switch to vision. Now we should see an option for display size, and then we can make this a little bit bigger. Then go to the check mark, go to OK. Now everything on the screen should be bigger. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.